In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find music videos or dancing videos on YouTube for Kids app. So if you want just to go ahead and display or list all the dancing video clips on YouTube Kids app, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is go ahead and sign up first or open your YouTube Kids app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, once you are logged in to YouTube Kids app, you can see, go under these categories. You can see currently it is set to all. To find music or dancing video, scroll this bar and you'll be able to see music here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and list all the videos that contains dancing or music on YouTube Kids app, and all these are dancing and music videos on YouTube Kids app. So that's how you find it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.